Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the Glances page. First, let's open the Glances page. To do it, simply press the App/Menu button. And here we have it. Basically, the Glances page allows you to see multiple widgets at the same time. As you can see, we have weather, sunset, performance, training status, last activity, heart rate, and stuff like that. And we can customize this page. To do it, you can press and hold the App/Menu button to open the menu. No, my bad. Let's exit the Glances. So let's press the back button to go back to watch face. Then press and hold the App/Menu button to open the menu. Then scroll down, find the option called Appearance, and tap on it. Here select Glances, and now we can customize the menu. We can do a couple of things. We can remove the items from the list, add new items to the list, and reorder the items on the list. First, let's add new item to the list. To do it, simply scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you should see Add button. Simply tap on it, and here you have a list of widgets you can add to the list. For example, let's add, maybe temperature. Once you're done, you can tap on this check mark right here at the bottom. Okay, and now we have the temperature on the list. Next, we can remove something. So for example, we can tap on music controls and then tap on the pen icon right here to remove it, like this. And then we can reorder the items on the list. So for example, I want to move the temperature somewhere else. Tap on the item you want to move and then scroll through the menu. And once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm, like this. And as you can see, we can go back now to the watch face, open the Glances, and at the top should be the temperature. And here we have it. You can also press and hold the App/Menu button in the Glances, on the Glances page, to basically do the same stuff. You can select the widget. For example, let's select temperature. Press and hold the App/Menu button. As you can see, we can enter the temperature options. We can reorder glance, remove glance, and add new glance if you want to. If you tap on temperature options, basically you will open the options for your widget, and you can change the, for example, type of unit type, basically from Fahrenheit to Celsius if you want, like this. Okay, and that's how you customize the Glances page on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.